In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize navigation pane in Outlook 5 minutes. We'll start by opening the Outlook app. You can use the desktop version on your computer or the web version in your browser. Either way, sign in and make sure you're looking at your main mail window. On the left side, you'll see the navigation pane. This is where you switch between mail, calendar, people, and other modules, and it's also where your mail folders and favorites live. Customizing this area makes everyday tasks much faster. Look toward the bottom of that left sidebar for the three-dot icon. This is the More Apps or More Options button. Click it to expand the list of available modules. You'll see items like mail, calendar, people, and to-do, depending on your setup. If you don't see the dots right away, hover your mouse near the bottom of the navigation bar to make them appear. The idea here is to surface the tools you use most and hide or minimize the ones you don't. Next, click and drag a module to reorder it on the bar. For example, if you bounce between mail and calendar all day, drag calendar right next to mail so it's one click away. Simply press and hold the module, then slide it up or down until it lands where you want. Take a moment to arrange the rest. Place people, tasks, or any other module in a sequence that matches your routine. Small changes here can shave seconds off many actions, and those seconds add up. Now let's make your most important mail folders easy to reach by adding them to favorites. In the mail view, browse your account's folder tree and find the folder you open often, maybe inbox subfolders, a project folder, or archive. Right click the folder name, then click add to favorites. You'll see that folder appear at the top of the mail list under favorites, so you don't have to scroll through your entire folder tree each time. Repeat that for any other high priority folders. You can also click and drag within favorites to reorder them so the most critical ones sit at the top. If you change your mind later, right click a favorite and choose remove from favorites. This only removes the shortcut, it does not delete the folder or its messages. That's it. By using the three-dot menu to surface the modules you need, dragging them into a sensible order, and pinning your key folders to favorites, you'll navigate Outlook faster and with far less friction. Tweak this setup as your work changes and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient sidebar every day.